Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to a brand new episode of the Salesfire Trends Roundup. Here on the Roundup, we'll be bringing you the latest e-commerce news and stats so you can stay up to date. In this episode, we'll be discussing the revamp of the Boots Advantage card and the introduction of Klarna's conscious badges. Loyalty programs have long been a key component of retail, both online and offline. Since the cost of acquiring a new customer has become considerably higher than retaining one, retailers are now taking a renewed interest in optimizing their loyalty schemes. Health and beauty giant Boots are the latest to make headlines with the revamping of their digital advantage card. The most noticeable addition to their loyalty model is the introduction of an instant 10% discount on all Boots' own brand products, starting from May 2023. With over 70% of card members regularly shopping from this range, this offer is set to provide real value for their customers. The benefits don't stop there. Cardholders will also benefit from more double and triple points events throughout the year in an effort to boost retention rates. Pete Markey, Chief Marketing Officer at Boots, said, "Boots Advantage Card is one of the most original and most generous loyalty programs, and now we are making it better to fit our customers' changing needs and the way they now want to shop. We've also noticed that Advantage Card members are now more frequently using their points to buy essentials instead of saving them up. We've listened and we've expanded the scheme to give more instant rewards, immediate value, and lower prices." Which brands do you hope to see revamp their loyalty schemes? Let us know below. Global payment provider Klarna has partnered with leading sustainability tech platform Clarity AI to launch conscious badges. This initiative comes as 56% of global consumers want more information about the environmental impact of brands and their products. The launch of conscious badges allows retailers to celebrate their environmental achievements whilst providing customers with the knowledge needed to make conscious shopping decisions. Electronic brands can earn up to 5 badges for lower direct greenhouse gas emissions, lower indirect greenhouse gas emissions, committed to reducing greenhouse gas emissions, disclosing greenhouse gas emissions, and using renewable energy. If a brand meets the criteria for these badges, consumers will soon be able to view them via Klarna's CO2 tracker, regardless of if they've made a purchase. Salah Saeed, Head of Sustainability at Klarna, said, "The rollout of conscious badges in the Klarna app marks a significant milestone in our continued effort to empower shoppers to vote with their wallets. We are thrilled to team up with Clarity AI to deliver the world's first unbiased, AI-driven environmental assessment for electronic brands." Do you believe this will encourage shoppers to make conscious purchases? Share your thoughts in the comments below. That's it for this week's Roundup. Be sure to follow our page to keep up to date with the latest e-commerce trends and news directly to your feed. Follow the link in the description to start tracking on Salesfire Trends for free. Thank you for tuning in and see you next time.